Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful and colorful star using beads. For this, we are using some colorful beads, yarn, needle and a cutter. So now let's see how to do this beautiful star using colorful beads. First, we need to take 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring them till this last to make a knot. So now we have completed the first step. Next, take 2 beads. Skip the first bead and insert it in this second bead. Take 2 beads. So we have to follow this. So skip this first bead and insert it in this second bead. So now we have completed the second step. So next will be the last step. So insert the hook between these two. So bring the needle here. Take the single bead and insert. So next we have to bring them between these two. So we'll insert the needle between 1, 2, 3. Take the next color. So we have to follow this. Next we have to place a bead here. We have to bring this thread this side. So we'll insert between 1, 2, 3. Take a bead. So next here. Next here. So now we have completed the star with the beads. Star with the beads looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.